Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete all your old Facebook posts at once. This is a useful feature that Facebook has added through Activity Log, which allows you to clean up your profile a lot easier. To do this, open Facebook and from the main feed page, tap Menu on the lower right. Next, select your profile on the top of the menu, and then on your profile page, tap the three dots or profile settings to the right of Add to Story. Inside of here, choose Activity Log. Here you can manage all of your Facebook activity, but what we're looking to do is to delete old posts. Tap Manage Your Posts. After a second, it'll then load all of your past Facebook posts, including status updates, photos, and shared links. If you want to select a date range, tap Filters, Date, and then give it a date range to look up. When you're ready, tap the checkbox next to All. It will then select all of the currently loaded posts. For instance, you see that it's selected 40 here for me. If you want to select more, just scroll all the way down to the bottom and allow it to load more. Now if I scroll back to the top and hit All, it'll show that more has been selected. You can either do it this way or just bulk delete whatever it loads each time. When you're ready to delete, hit Trash at the bottom of the screen. You'll then get a prompt to confirm where you can hit Move to Trash. It will then delete your post where you'll have 30 days if you change your mind to reverse it. And that's how you bulk delete all of your old posts on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.